Cracks in Ud Goenka. Is Irish losing credibility within organization? Sandeep Vaingankar, Rohit Monserrat out on bail. Police says they no longer needed them in custody. And we are not fools, say Sernabatam villagers. The German mother has withdrawn her complaint of raping her minor girl, and Ud Goenka has also started cracking. Leaders of Ud Goenka have started losing faith in their own spokesperson, advocate Irish Rodrigues. In fact, they are shocked that both the mother and her lawyer, Ud Goenka spokesperson Irish Rodrigues, are going soft on Education Minister Babush Monserrat and his alleged rapist son Rohit. A Prudent Media exclusive.
Revolt appears to brewing within Ud Goenka with the U-turn of German mother and advocate Irish. Though Irish claims that he cannot go against the wishes of his client, the other leaders of Ud Goenka have stood up to march ahead. All these days, they were seen standing behind Irish on the camera. They have now come in front of the camera.
पण त्या आवयक खबर आशिल्लें की तूं खंयच्या लोकां कडेन झगडटा, तूं खंयच्या लोकां कडेन वैरपण घेता. अशें आसतना तें लेटर दिवप, लेटर फाटीं घेवपाचें हें सामकें पटना आशिल्लें आमकां. आनी उड गोंयकाराच्या चडशा सगळ्या मेंबरांक, चडशा लोकांक काल जें आशिल्लें तांकां दिसलां की हें जें कितें जालां तें एकदम वायट आसा. हें जें कितें जालां तें सारकें ना आनी ताका लागून ह्या मुळाक वचून हाजें जें कोण कितें आसा तें एक्सपोज जावपाचें अशी ही आमची मागणी आसा.
Amol Navalkar in fact even went a step ahead to warn Irish indirectly. Those who go against the wishes of their organization would not be spared, he said.
पण जर उड गोंयकाराक खंयचे लोक टेकन फॉर ग्रांटेड घेता जाल्यार उड गोंयकाराचे मेंबर आयकुपाचे ना. कित्याक मेन म्हणजे कितें आमचो उड गोंयकार जो आसा इट इज ऑन अ सावंड फुटींग. तो आसा एक प्रोग्राम आसा ताजेर बेस केल्लो आसा. उड गोंयकार म्हणजे एक व्यक्ती अमोल नावेलकार किंवा आनी अशी एक व्यक्ती कोण आयरिश रॉड्रिग्स बी अशी व्यक्ती न्ही. उड गोंयकारा म्हणजे एक मुवमेंट.
In fact, the other leaders are even shocked that Irish detected Education Minister Babush Monserrat's name as the prime accused in assaulting him and Prajal Sakardande in a memorandum Ud Goenka submitted to the governor on Monday. The memorandum surprisingly only mentions name of Chief Minister Digambar Kamath. Interestingly, Irish was blaming only Babush for attacking him from the day he was assaulted. Even Prajal Sakardande, who was also beaten up along with Irish, is shocked with this sudden U-turn.
हे सगळ्यांक कितें चल्लां सद्या म्हजेर म्हणजे म्हाका विश्वासच उठून गेला की ह्या जगान ट्रूथ किंवा सत्य कितें उरलां काय म्हणून. जेन्ना त्या जर्मन लेडीन विड्रॉ केलो आयकला आनी म्हाका शॉकूच बसलो आमकां सगळ्यांक उड गोंयकाराक. आनी मागीर आमी गव्हर्नरा कडेन म्हजो वचपाचो कारण हेतू म्हणजे एकच की जे कोण ह्या असॉल्टाचे जबाबदार आसात तांकां शिक्षा जावपाकच जाय.
Prajal further clarified that no member of Ud Goenka was taken into confidence by Irish Rodrigues on the withdrawal move. All the members came to know about the news through media rather than their own spokesperson.
ना तशें कांयच जावना. आमकां कोणेच कांय विचारूं ना. ना आमकां कोणेच कांय विचारूं ना. आनी कितेंच ना. सडनली हांवें आयकलें की म्हाका एक SMS आयलो की जर्मन लेडीन विड्रॉ केला म्हणून. हांव शॉकात म्हणजे कितें ना कांयच सांगूं ना कोणें. म्हाका तर कोणें कांय सांगूंक ना. आनी उड गोंयकाराचे जे आमच्या बाकीचे मेंबर आसा अमोल जॉन किंवा जीवन कोणाकच कांय खबर नाशिल्लें.
Prudent Media did try to contact Irish to get his reaction in this regard, but he told our reporter that he was out of Panji and would get back to us as soon as he reaches Panji. However, till this bulletin got ready, Irish did not contact our reporter nor our office. During conversation, he also said that he would like to detect the case from Ud Goenka. The matter is between him and his client. Ud Goenka has nothing to do with this case, he claimed. Our reporter in Panji and Mapsa, Rakesh Kanolkar and Shamsundar Farte.
Now the news in detail. Suddenly the cases which were looking strong and solid are now looking weak and bleak. Both cases, rape against Rohit Monserrat and assault case against Sandeep Waingankar, are falling apart as police are saying that they don't need the accused in jail anymore.
Superintendent of North Police Bosco George, when asked the reasons for police demanding the transfer of Rohit to judicial custody from police custody, cited police discretion. By not asking for Rohit's police custody, the police had helped Rohit getting bail yesterday as per the court order.
It is our discretion as far as asking of judicial. He was not required in police custody, so we asked for judicial custody.
When questioned about the release of Sandeep Waingankar, prime accused in the attack on Iris Rodriguez and Prajwal Sakhardande, Bosco pointed at judiciary.
It depends on the judge. The judge felt that he required to be given bail. We oppose the bail, but the judge has granted him bail.
As our reporter saw the German lady exit the building, he asked Bosco George the reason for her visit, to which he replied in this manner.
Why should I be telling you why German lady came, what she came? Everything is part of the investigation. No?
On asked about the future of this case, his face showed his answer.
Is good.
It seems that no one wants to take these cases seriously. With the police showing an attitude as reluctant as this, it raises many a question mark on the convictions in this case. Our reporter in Panjim, Sunny Narwekar.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.